Hi children, this is Seth from Roadside School. I explained division of a polynomial by a polynomial. I already explained in the last video. This is the given example. Divide f of x by g of x where f of x is equal to 3x square plus x minus 1. It is a quadratic polynomial. And g of x is equal to x plus 1. It is a linear polynomial. Now, f of x divided by g of x. f of x divided by g of x. This is called as dividend. This is called as dividend. This g of x is called as divisor. Dividend and divisor. You know very well. This method, now I am going to explain. This method is called as long division method. This method is called as long division method. This is f of x dividend. F of x dividend. This is divisor g of x. This is divisor g of x. This is f of x. This is f of x dividend. F of x divided by g of x. F of x divided by g of x. Now, I already explained. Once again, we'll discuss. Now, first of all, what is the main thing? Check the dividend whether it is in standard form or not. Whether it is in standard form or not. Yes, it is in standard form. X square, x to the power of 1 and constant term. Divisor also in standard form. Divisor also in standard form. First, you take the first term in the dividend. First term in the dividend is 3x square. 3x square. And the first term of the divisor. The first term of the divisor is x. First term of the divisor is x. Now, 3x square by x. 3x square by x. 3x square by x. 3x square by x is nothing but 3 by 1. 3 by 1, 3. X square by x, I already said, x square x is x to the power of 1. X to the power of 2 minus 1, x to the power of 1. This is nothing but a to the power of m by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. A to the power of m minus n. So that I get x to the power of 1 is nothing but x. So, x to the power of 2 by x to the power of 1 is equal to, the answer is x. The answer is x. Now, 3x, 3. This is called as partial quotient. This is called as partial quotient. This I have to write the first term of the quotient. The first term of the quotient. That is nothing but 3x. Now, we have to do, then what is the next step? This 3x into divisor. This 3x into divisor. This 3x into divisor, this is the next step. 3x into divisor multiply 3x into x, 3x square plus 3x into 1, 3x. 3x into 1, 3x. 3x into 1, 3x. Place the result below the dividend. What is the result? 3x square plus 3x. Place the result below the dividend. Okay. Now I subtract. This is subtraction, vertical subtraction. Already you know in algebraic expressions. Vertical subtraction. Subtraction. Now I subtract minus subtraction. What is the sign of 3x square plus? Because of this subtraction, this minus, because of this minus, this plus will be 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 minus. Now, I subtract 3x square. Now, forget about this sign and forget about this sign. 3x square minus 3x square 0. 3x square minus 3x square 0. This one, what is the numerical quotient of x? 1. So, plus 1x minus 3x. Plus 1x minus 3x. plus 1x minus 3x. That is nothing but minus 2x. Plus 1x minus 3x. That is nothing but minus 2x. Minus 2x. Minus 2x. Minus 2x. And bring down minus 1. Bring down minus 1. Bring down minus 1. Bring down minus 1. Now perform the division again. Perform the division. This is minus 2x minus 1 and x plus 1. One important point. What is the degree of this polynomial? 1. What is the degree of this polynomial? 1. That's why again perform the division. Again perform the division. The degree should be less than the degree, then only we can stop. Now both the degrees are equal, then perform the division. Then perform the division. Already again minus 2x minus 1. In this the first term is minus 2x. You write the first term minus 2x and the first term of the divisor x. The first term of the divisor x. Minus 2x by x. So minus 2 by 1 is equal to minus 2. X by x is equal to 1. X and x will be cancelled. X and x will be cancelled. X by x is equal to 1. Otherwise you can apply exponential law. Even then you will get 1. Minus 2. So this is a partial quotient. 3x minus 2. 3x minus 2. Now it is a partial quotient. It is a partial quotient. Now it is a full quotient. 3x minus 2 is a full quotient. Now this minus 2, this partial quotient into divisor x plus 1. X plus 1. That is nothing but minus 2 into x is equal to minus 2x. And minus 2 into x is equal to minus 2x. Minus 2 into plus 1. Minus 2 into plus 1. 2 1s are 2. Minus into plus minus. This is minus 2. This is minus 2. Minus 2. This put under the 2x minus 1. So 2x minus 2. 2x minus 2. 2x minus 2. 2x minus 2. Again subtraction. Subtraction. Again subtraction. So because of this subtraction, this minus will be plus. 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 So finally minus 2x, forget about this sign, minus 2x, minus 2 and minus 2. Now minus 2x plus 2x is equal to 0. Minus 1 plus 2. Minus 1 plus 2. That is nothing but 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. This is the remainder. 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 This one is quotient. This one is quotient. Quotient. This is dividend, divisor, remainder, quotient. Normally we are using for a dividend f of x, divisor g of x, quotient you can use q of x. Q of x and remainder we can use r of x. Remainder we can use r of x. This terminology is very, very important. This terminology is very, very important. Remainder, quotient. Dividend, normally we are using f of x or p of x something. F of x, divisor g of x, quotient p of x, and remainder r of x. This terminology is very, very important. Division, divide p of x by g of x using long division method. where p of x is equal to x square minus 5x plus 16 and g of x is equal to x minus 2. This is dividend. This is dividend. Dividend dd. Shortcut you can write. Divisor dr. Divisor dr. Now we'll go for a division. This is p of x. This is g of x. P of x, g of x. Now we'll go for division. This is dividend. This is divisor. First of all, what is the first step? Take. First of all, that should be in standard form. Descending order form is there or not? You have to check. Yes, is there standard form. Dividend is there in standard form. Divisor is there in standard form. Now, first term of the dividend by first term of the divisor. What is the first term of the dividend? X square by x. X square by x. X square by x. What is the answer for x square by x? Already I said x square by x to the power of 1. X square a to the power of m by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. X to the power of 2 minus 1, x to the power of 1, x to the power of 1 is nothing but x. So x square by x is equal to, x square by x is equal to, the result is x. The result is x. Now, this is the partial quotient. Partial quotient, you write here. In quotient place, partial quotient x, you write. After that, this partial quotient into divisor. Partial quotient into divisor. What is the divisor? X minus 2. X minus 2. That implies x into x, x square minus x into x, x square, x into minus 2, x into minus 2, x into minus 2, minus 2x, minus 2x. So, this x square minus 2x. Place the product, place the result below the dividend. Below the dividend, x square minus 2x. Now, perform subtraction. Now, like normal division, subtraction only we are doing. Here also, subtraction, perform subtraction. If it is subtraction means the symbol is minus. What is the sign? Now I subtract like normal subtraction only. Long division method, normal subtraction only. Here I subtract because of this subtraction, because of this minus sign, this plus will be minus or this minus will be plus. Now x square minus x square is equal to 0. Otherwise, you can do horizontal subtraction also. X square, this minus we can write up minus plus x square actually. So x square minus or plus minus x square is equal to 0. But instead of doing like this, directly I am doing like this. X square, because of this subtraction, this plus will be minus, this minus will be plus. So, x square minus x square is equal to 0. Minus 5x plus 2x. Minus 5x plus 2x is equal to minus 3x. Minus 3x. Bring down plus 16. Now, again, you have to check what is the degree of this polynomial 1. What is the degree of this polynomial 1? Both the degrees are equal. Go for perform division. Now, minus 3x, you take the first term of this polynomial and the first term of the divisor polynomial. Minus 3x by x is equal to, x by x is cancelled, x and x will be cancelled. So what is remaining? Minus 3. This minus 3, you write in quotient place minus 3. Almost all now I got full quotient. Minus 3, this partial quotient minus 3 into divisor x minus 2. Divisor x minus 2. So 3 into minus 3 into x minus 3x minus 3 into minus 2. Minus 3 into x minus 3x minus 3 into minus 2 plus 6. Minus 3 into minus plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. 3 minus 3x plus 6 minus 3x plus 6. So write the product. Because of this subtraction, because of this minus will be plus and plus will be minus. So plus minus 3x, and forget about this sign. Now minus 3x plus 16 minus 6 minus 3x plus 16 minus 6 minus 3x and plus 3x is equal to 0 plus 16 minus 6 plus 16 minus 6. Answer is 10. Answer is 10 plus 16. The answer is 10. Now this is remainder or remainder. This will be quotient q. Normally this we are writing like a polynomial q of x. This is r of x. This is p of x or f of x. P of x. This is g of x or anything k of x. So this is p of x, dividend. This is dividend. This is divisor, dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. Dividend p of x, divisor g of x, quotient q of x, remainder r of x. This is the division. We perform one more division. Q plus 1 by x plus 1. So here it is f of x or p of x, that is g of x, whatever way we can take. Now actually the very important point, first of all we have to check whether it is in standard form or not. Yes, it is in standard form, it is also in standard form. The most important point is here some terms are missing. That's why carefully you write this is x cube plus you can write 0x square plus you can write 0x plus 1. Both are same. X cube plus 1. It is a dividend. This is the divisor. Dividend I wrote like this. X cube plus 0x square plus 0x plus 1. Now I am going to divide this divided by that. Directly also you can divide. This is compatible. This one is compatible. You can divide directly x cube plus 1 by x plus 1. Directly you can divide. But this will be compatible. X cube plus 0x square plus 0x plus 1. Now, first of all, it is in standard form written already. This is dividend. This is dividend. This is a divisor. Now I am going to find quotient and remainder. Quotient and remainder. So how to do? Already I explained two sums. First term of the dividend. What is the first term of the dividend? X cube. First term of the dividend is x cube. What is the first term of the divisor? X. First term of the divisor is x. So what is the result of x cube by x? X cube by x is nothing but x square. If you have any doubt, x cube divided by x to the power of 1, a to the power of m by a to the power of n, a to the power of m minus n, 3 minus 1 is equal to x square. Directly I have written. So x cube by x is equal to x square. This is partial division. This is the partial quotient. Now partial quotient I will write here. What is the partial quotient? X square. Partial quotient is x square. Now the partial quotient into divisor. What is the partial quotient? X square into divisor x plus 1. The partial quotient into divisor. So what is the partial quotient into divisor? Multiply x square into x square into x square into x square into x is nothing but x square into x to the power of 1 is equal to x to the power of 2 plus 1 a to the power of m into a to the power of n, a to the power of m plus n, like x to the power of 2 plus 1, that is x cube. Here I can write x cube. X square into x is nothing but x cube. Now again, x square into 1, x square into plus 1, that is going to be plus 1. X square into plus 1 plus x square. Now this is the product. This product, the result, right below the dividend. Right below the dividend. What is the dividend? X cube plus 0, x square plus 0, x plus 1. Now x cube plus x square. The x square is nothing but, there is no numerical coefficient, is nothing but it is 1x square. 1x square. Now go for subtraction. Now we perform subtraction. Subtraction, because of this minus, actually the sign for x cube is equal to plus. Because of this minus, this plus becomes minus. This plus becomes minus. This plus also becomes minus. Listen carefully. Now, actually, plus x cube minus x cube is equal to 0. Plus x cube minus x cube is equal to 0. This is vertical subtraction. If you want, you can do horizontal subtraction. This is plus x cube. Again here, plus x cube. The operation is minus. That's why, because of this minus, this plus will be minus. This plus becomes minus. X cube, not positive, negative. Not positive, negative you can take. Otherwise, already you are habituated. Minus into plus minus. Even then, instead of doing like this, I am explaining in the other way. So because of this minus, this plus becomes minus, this plus becomes minus. X cube minus x cube is equal to 0. Now 0x square plus 0x square plus 0x square plus 0x square minus 1x square minus 1x square. This is nothing but 0 minus 1. What is the answer for 0 minus 1? Minus 1. That's why 0 minus x square is equal to minus 1x square. Minus 1x square. Minus 1x square. 0 minus x is equal to minus 1x square. This is minus 1x square. Minus 1x square. Bring down 0x. Bring down 0x. Bring down 0x. Now, this is a polynomial. This is the new dividend. We can simply call it as a new dividend. Now, perform division, because the main intention is here no need to check. The degree of this polynomial is 1. The degree of the polynomial is 2. This is greater. This degree is greater. We have to go for division. Now, again in this, what is the first term? What is the first term of this polynomial? Minus 1x square. What is the first term? This is the first term. This is the first term. Again, we perform division. So first minus 1x square by x. Minus 1x square by x. Minus 1x square by x. This is nothing but minus 1x square by x is nothing but minus 1 is nothing. 1 by 1 is equal to minus 1. This you can write. X square by x. Many times we did. X square by x is nothing but x. X square by x is nothing but x. Minus 1x. We can also call it as just minus x. Minus 1x. This is the partial quotient. That's what I am writing, minus 1x. If you are not writing minus 1 also, no problem. So, minus 1x square by x minus 1x. This is new quotient. So, partial quotient. Now, here, minus 1x also we can, that is but minus x. Minus 1x and minus both are same. Now, multiply minus 1x into divisor. Minus 1x into divisor x plus 1. Minus 1x into divisor x plus 1. Minus 1x is nothing but x. We can take only x. No problem. Minus 1x also no problem. Minus x into x. minus x into x answer minus x square, minus x square. So here this is minus x square, multiply, one more multiplication, minus x into plus 1, minus x into plus 1, this is nothing but minus into plus minus 1 into x 1x, 1 into x 1x, that is nothing but minus x or minus 1x, both are no problem. So once again, x into x, x square, minus x square, minus x into x, minus x square, minus x into 1, minus x, minus x into 1, minus x, minus x into 1, minus x. So the new result, the result right below the this minus 1x square plus 0x. So what is that? Minus x square minus x square minus x. So there is no numerical quotient for x square, that is nothing but is there, that is nothing but 1. Here the numerical quotient of x is also 1. So here again perform subtraction, again perform subtraction, again subtraction. So because of this minus, because of this subtraction, because of this subtraction, this minus will be plus. The minus becomes plus. The minus becomes plus. This minus becomes plus. Now, cancellation. Why? Because minus 1x square plus 1x square, 0. Now, 0x, here I'll do 0x plus 0x, I am writing 0x plus 1x. 0x plus 1x, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. So here 1x. This is nothing but 1x or x. You can write 1x or x, no problem. So here find out the degree of the, okay, I forget actually. Bring down plus 1, bring down plus 1, bring down plus 1, bring down plus 1. This plus 1 you bring down. Again, it is a new dividend. After bringing down, we have to divide. Now here one more important point. Check the degree of this divisor 1. Check the degree of this divisor 1. Both the degrees are equal. So go for perform division. Perform division. Still division is there. So here, what is the first term of this new dividend x? First term of the new dividend x or 1x, no problem. Here first term, that is also x or 1x. X by x is equal to 1. If you are not writing 1 also no problem. X by x is equal to 1. X by x is equal to 1. So the partial quotient, now what is it? 1 plus 1. There is no sign in the sense plus 1. Now it is a full quotient 100%. Now x by x is equal to 1. The partial quotient 1 into divisor x plus 1. Divisor x plus 1. What is the answer? 1 into x plus 1, 1x plus 1, 1x plus 1. Otherwise directly x plus 1 also you can write. Directly x plus 1 also you can write. Now here this product put under the place under the new dividend. What is that? 1x plus 1. 1x plus 1. If 1 is not there also no problem. 1 is there also no problem. X plus 1. X plus 1. Here also 1 into x plus 1, that is nothing but 1 into x plus 1 is nothing but x plus 1. So see, I have written like this, both are correct. 1 into x plus 1. So 1 into x plus 1 is also x plus 1. Now again perform subtraction. Because of this, now again subtraction like normal division. Because of this minus, this plus becomes minus. This plus becomes minus. So x and minus x will be cancelled. X and minus x is 0. Plus 1 and minus 1 will be 0. Forget about this sign. So this sign and this sign you forget. Plus x and minus x is equal to 0. Plus 1 or minus 1 will be 0. Finally, the remainder will be 0. The remainder will be 0. Remainder 0. Remainder 0. This is remainder. This is quotient. This is dividend. This is divisor. This terminology is very important. Dividend, divisor, quotient, remainder. If it is polynomial, we can give some names for this. We can give, this will be f of x or p of x. This will be g of x or k of x, whatever it may be. But normally, this will be q of x. This will be q of x. This will be r of x. Very important. Once again, dividend will be f of x, divisor g of x, quotient q of x, remainder r of x. This terminology is very important. Understand? So this is the division, very important. So far I explained 3 divisions. Practice all the 3 divisions thoroughly. Then practice once or twice you practice. These divisions are very important for not only for 9th class. It is a 4 marks question in 10th class. Very important. Based on this concept or directly this model, one important sum will be there in 10th class, 4 marks questions. Dear students, carefully, practice carefully, learn this sum properly. Okay children, I explained 3 sums here. This is the given assignment. All of you do this assignment and send to your class teacher.